how to delete your Kindle Unlimited account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into the application. Then from there, simply tap on more. Here you will be able to see your account settings. Tap on membership and subscription. Then from there, you need to remember that you will directly be leaded to your Amazon membership and subscriptions. From there, what you're going to do is obviously select Kindle Unlimited settings, then cancel the Kindle Unlimited membership from there. After doing that, select the cancellation date in order to stop auto billing, and that is all you need to do. So in here, if you want to simply delete whole account, you would actually need to delete your Amazon account too. So if you want to delete your Amazon account, you can do that, but once you cancel the Kindle Unlimited account subscription or membership, that's all you need to do in order to not basically delete your Kindle Unlimited account permanently, as long as you don't use it again. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.